Okay, as you can see, target's set up. All safety measures are in place. We'll see what this Springfield Saint can do to a Sony Vaio. Let's have some fun.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did doing it. After my computer crashed, now it's time to either buy a new one or build one. So after an extensive search on the internet, I came across a YouTube channel called Tech Notice. In his channel, he had several videos of how to build and create a video editing machine and keep it in a good budget. That sounded very intriguing to me, that even someone like myself who has never attempted to do one decided to give it a try. This is also my first attempt at videoing anything like this also. He also inspired that. Anybody who likes Knight Rider is good by me. So I started with the AMD 3900X chip, went with the Corsair Vengeance RAM. I did two 16 gigabytes. Then we used the Rocket Sprint 1 terabyte hard drive. The only thing that I could salvage out of my old Sony was this Samsung 850 EVO solid state drive, which I had to replace a couple years back. So this was not damaged in the final crash of my computer. So I'm saving that to use that for an internal backup into the system. I am using the MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card because since I am not doing gaming, just basically video editing, I thought this was more than adequate and it saved me a few dollars. I did go ahead and use the fan even though he said it was optional. From everything that I was seeing on Tech Notice's channel, that cooling is very important. So since this is my first effort at a build, I thought I would go that route. Have the paste for the chip. I also went with the X570 MSI Creation motherboard. I went with the EVGA 750 watt, bring it over here, Supernova power supply. The Corsair one I could not find. Everything is on back order. It was extremely difficult to find all these pieces and parts. Had to go through several vendors to do so. I decided just for fun, I bought this Razer Synosa keyboard. Just looked like it was kind of cool and neat with the lights. I also went with the BenQ 27-inch. It's a PD 2700Q, which is only a 2K, but I don't do anything professional video wise. I just do things for home. I am taking old Super 8 films, VHS films, beta films. Yes, I know I'm showing my age, in order to digitize all those to give them to my daughters. So that's how this whole process started to begin with. My old computer would take hours to render videos. I'm hoping this will do it much faster. Also, I went with an MSI case. I just kind of like the stealth look of it. And it had a glass case, and also it was an affordable case which had plenty of cooling fans and had very good reviews. Money wise, as far as everything that you see here, pretty much a complete setup. He was under $2,000 for his original PC build. I know there are some things here that I didn't do quite as good because I didn't think I personally needed those. But that being said, with the monitor and the keyboard and everything you see here on this table, I had $2,445.83. Don't let my wife see this video because I told her I was going to spend under $2,000. So I guess let's get started with the build. had film run out of one camera, battery die in my main camera, got a flashlight, rechargeable for hunting, that died. Then went to get my running headlamp that I used to hook onto my hat to run. The battery was dead in it also. So I had to bring this beautiful lamp in from my daughter's room. Looks kind of stylish. It works. So now we're in the process. The fans are mounted, the graphics card is mounted, and I'm working on the power supply. So let's have some more fun. Close to being ready. Hello, Sarah. Hello, Sarah.
Hey, sorry.
Well, nothing blew up. That's a good sign. Well, there we have it. Thanks to TechNotice, I've completed my first build. It's went fairly well. Hard getting the parts, but once they all came in, I've got it built. It ran the very first time, except there was issues with the motherboard that I tried to correct with numerous phone calls to customer service. Pretty much came to no avail. So I tore the whole board apart, returned the board, got a new one. Board actually works flawless now. So thanks to MSI for sending me out a new board. So as you've noticed, I have some Woodward Reserve here with 2 glasses poured. I seen in one of TechNotice's videos he was having a cup of tea. Well, here in the States we like Woodford Reserve. So thank you very much for all your help and tutorials and the hard work that you do to make people like me who have never done anything try to do something new. As you see, it worked out fabulous. Thank you very much. And a toast to you. And since you're not here, I guess I'll have to do yours also. Cheers. Thank you very much. Don't forget the like button and subscribe if you like my channel. I'm hoping someday to get to 10 viewers.